What is up? What is up? What's up, everybody? Hope all is well. Right when I start a video, got crickets making noises. Anyway, today's topic is fear and consistency. Fear and consistency. They will be tied together once I get to the end. But anyway, so I want to talk about fear. What is fear? Fear is, well, actually, fear is something. Hey, what's up, homie? It actually depends on who you're asking what fear is. Because everybody has their own definition. You have one person who looks at fear as something that stops them from pursuing a dream, a goal, or even progressing through life because of fear, for whatever reason. Then on the other hand, you have fear from someone, and which I like to use the acronym of false evidence appearing real, which has got me through a lot of things. I'll give you an example as far as doing these Facebook lives, or even doing YouTube videos. I was fearful because I'm thinking, what are people going to think about my video, or what are people going to say, or I'm gonna mess up, just stupid stuff, false evidence appearing real. And me personally, for example, if you've been following me, this is my third day doing a Facebook Live, which I'm truly proud of. It was when I did my first one. I was terrified, but like I said, false evidence appearing real. So I like to use the example of fear of being a door or a wall that gets in your way when you're doing your journey. Why are we not walking? So yeah, I'm out here walking with my family, my wonderful wife and my gorgeous daughter, who keeps stopping in front of me. Hello, everybody. Crazy insects attacking me. So anyway, I like to use the acronym false evidence appearing real, which can cause you to, not cause you, but it can help you. Like for me, it helped me as far as doing these lives. Okay, so I'm creating some value for those who may need this. Hello, Nancy. And I like to use the example with fear for a lot of people is if you're going through your journey in life, pursuing a business or trying to get to a goal or fear of speaking or whatever it is, you have that door. Excuse me, I'm being attacked by mosquitoes. I don't know. They want to be in the spotlight too, I guess. Anyway, so the fear that stops people, but me, goodness, I'm getting distracted by the doggone mosquitoes. Okay, so false evidence appearing real. Okay, I swear. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. These mosquitoes are attacking me. Hello, Miguel. Hello. So I like to look at fear as a wall or something that gets in your way, and it may seem like something because it could be based on what someone has told you or someone's telling you, or even self-talk of telling you things that are negative or that may seem like it's true or may seem like something that can harm you, and it won't. And like for example, with doing these lives, I'm thinking, hey, this is a live video. It's not like a YouTube video where you can go back and edit. This is live, raw, and it doesn't matter. I mess up, which I've done plenty of times. It is what it is. But which brings me to the part of consistency. Hey, mama. Which wraps around and brings me to consistency. And because of consistency, turn around, check on my family. Okay. Because of consistency, it helps you eliminate fear. That's why I continue to do these lives, because I know I'm going to get better. and better, attracting and better. And it's going to either help build my business. This might be something someone needed to hear today. And yeah, excuse me, I'm walking and my wife and them, they just stopped walking, so I have to stop walking before I leave everybody. So consistency is key, and that's one of the things that. Oh, be safe, be safe. That sounds exciting. I'll be there next time. But yeah, consistency is one of the things that kills fear. Okay, it kills. In my opinion, it destroys fear because of the consistency. If you use the consistency, continue to do your thing. Eventually, fear will disappear. That's pretty good. Fear will disappear. I think I'm gonna put that on Facebook. That's a Facebook post. And hello everybody that hopped on and hopped off to refresh. And I forgot what else I want to say. So fear, consistency, tie them together. I had something I was going to say now, I can't remember. I don't know if it was fear divided by consistency equals success or something like that. I don't remember what it was, but anyway, I just want to share that while I'm out here doing my walk, shedding these pounds, and enjoying my time with my family that stopped walking again. So you all awesome. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful night, day, depending on when you're watching this, and be blessed.